When we moved to the desert, we inherited a Xeriscaped yard. We debated whether or not to keep it. Then one day, we received a sign. A sign in the form of a phallic symbol. That's right, Mother Nature was telling us to turn the space into a lush green oasis. In this video, I'm going to show a quick summary of the entire project, while in subsequent videos, we'll go into more detail of what was done at each step of the way. After castration took place, we removed the offense from the property, as well as his accomplices. The pile was substantial, but so was our will. So we proceeded to relocate drip lines and grade the dirtscape into a flat surface. Fill dirt was also added to provide a level playing field. Next, we outlined the concrete curbing and where it was to be installed. Bermuda grass doesn't mess around, so borders are essential in Arizona. After the only hired out portion of the project was complete, we went inside and fired up the computer to design and plot out how the irrigation system would be installed, ensuring that adequate water coverage would be provided to the scorched earth. After our time inside was over, we called out the utility company to mark gas and water lines, and we rented a trencher and proceeded to carve out lines in the hard-packed clay. With lines drawn, we proceeded forward with laying pipe, Schedule 40 PVC pipe to be precise. Next, we confirmed water coverage matched our designs, then buried the lines and ordered sod. Luckily, sod arrived at 5 a.m. that June morning, and temps were only in the 80s. It's a small lawn, so it didn't take me more than 90 minutes to lay it down. After all that work came the fun part, not doing anything. Well, aside from programming the new smart irrigation timer. So there you have it, a quick rundown on the several-month project. Looking forward to sharing the process in more detail in coming videos. The series will likely go 4 or 5 videos to cover anything from planning, sprinkler design and install, as well as grading and concrete curbing. Thanks for dropping by.